Hello everyone, today I'll review Azolt's gaming keyboard, the GCrusader. Now if you don't know who Azolt is a German company that wants to influence the gaming PC race by creating products which are optimized for your gaming experience. They are an off-brand company in terms of gaming peripherals, but they do offer a lot, including this keyboard. My first impressions of this keyboard can be summarized by the phrase, wow. Its build, design, and comfort of typing is really on par with more traditional mechanical gaming keyboards. The keys have a comfortable tactile feel, and I can easily access my fingers to each keycap comfortably. The keyboard has a pleasurable feeling wrist rest, which is easily attachable to the keyboard. The keyboard itself is made of a solid piece of aluminum with a black finish and bits of plastic down below. On the right is a volume wheel and light for notifications. On the bottom houses the two rubber paddings and leg stands. And finally the cord, which is braided and tangle free. Now, it is half mechanical, so what does that mean? Well, essentially it's also half membrane too, but there's a reason why they advertise it in such a way, being that it feels just like a mechanical keyboard. Through playing games on the PC with this keyboard, I wasn't able to distinguish the difference between the GCrusader and a normal mechanical keyboard. I was quickly able to adapt to the feel of Azolt's keyboard because it does very much feel like a mechanical keyboard. However, it doesn't have the two activation points that a normal mechanical keyboard has, so just keep that in mind, but it does have about 7 to 10 keys for anti-ghosting. Other key points worth mentioning in this keyboard is that it also has 4 macro keys on the left side. The rec button, or recording button, is used for recording keys to fit the macro style of the gaming you prefer. One of the issues I had with this keyboard is that the enter button was unusually tall and short on the bottom. Whenever I type on this keyboard, I tend to hit the backslash key instead of the enter key a lot of times. Lastly, one more issue I'd like to point out of this keyboard is the strange behavior of some keys on the keypad. When pressing the 1 or 2 button, number 0 is also activated and pressed. The only reason it does this is because of the design flaw with the keyboard's keypad. A solution I found for this is to turn the number 0 upside down so that there's less interference with it and other keys, but it's not really practical. So is this keyboard worth the gaming experience? Personally, after many long gaming sessions with this keyboard, I can finally say that it's worth the bang in the buck for what you spend. You get a versatile keyboard for a fraction of the price compared to other, more expensive brands, and with typing, it's okay. I got used to the enter button having a rather peculiar shape and having an upside down 0, which still looks the same nonetheless. Well, there it is, my full review of the GCrusader keyboard. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Till then, see you guys later.